Hey guys, welcome to Sandro's Quick News. We'll give it the tech news quick. The Indian government has said it will be banning TikTok and 58 other apps developed by Chinese firms. Some notable apps that are being banned are WeChat, ShareIt, Kwai, UC Browser, Baidu, Maps, Shine, Clash of Clans, Me Community, Me Video Call, QQ Music, QQ Newsfeed, QQ Player, QQ International, QQ Security Center, and QQ Launcher, just to name a few. Facebook-owned Beats Games is pulling Beat Saber from VR arcades on July the 31st, 2020. LG is rolling out Android 10 to the Stylo 5. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you're watching over my videos, click the card above or click on the video on screen. I'm on Library and Dailymotion, so you can follow me on them. And comment down below with suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see tech news, reviews and how-tos. I post every day, so be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. But until next one, goodbye!